When I learned about the Distinguished Alumni Award that I was nominated, I was very humbled by it. I just see myself as an alumni that happens to work at Northwest State. It's just part of my job. So I really enjoy working with all the students and business clients. I think I'm just an extension of Northwest State Community College in the building. I think I really found my why I'm here in helping business clients and the individuals. It's fun to help companies improve their workforce, but it's more fulfilling when I help a person improve their job skills. What I really enjoy is when I help a young person that maybe has been dismissed a little bit or thinks they can't achieve more, and we show them all the opportunities with a little bit of training that they can really improve their personal lives. I'd recommend Northwest State to anybody. It's great for high academic achievers because we have so many different programs and we're connected to four-year institutions. But I would say it's the faculty, the individual attention we pay to each student.